Friends, today I am going to tell you about a disease called hypogonadotropic hypogonadism. First of all, I would like to tell you, in male, sexual development occurs due to, first of all, from our testis, it makes male hormone testosterone. This testis makes testosterone. In male, testosterone is a male hormone which is produced from testis. Then this testosterone works on hair root of face, then you got facial hair.
Okay.
It works on the hair root of beard, you got beard development. It works on the muscle of the body, then you got big muscles. Then it acts on the penis, so penis become big. Then it works on the neck muscle, your voice become heavy, male voice. So whenever there is testosterone deficiency, low testosterone, is called hypogonadism. Hypogonadism means our testis is called gonads. So testis when function less called hypogonadism. In this, the testosterone is low. Okay, when this hypogonadism is due to low gonadotropin hormone. We have got gonadotropin hormones. In brain, there is pituitary gland is there. In brain, there is pituitary gland which makes two hormones called LH and FSH. This pituitary gland makes LH FSH hormone. At around 13 to 14 years in boys, our pituitary gland start making LH and FSH hormone. These hormones, then they act on testis. These two hormones, they act on the testis, and testis start growing. In normal children, in small children, testis is just a pea size of a pea. Matar ke dane jaise, small testis, very small. When LH start increasing at time of puberty, between 13 to 14 years, they start growing this testis, and they start making testosterone. Okay. This testosterone hormone, they are all male hormone. Beard, mustache, heavy muscle, penis growth, male voice, all manly behavior, all come to this. So there are many conditions in which LH FSH production is not there. So low LH and low FSH and low testosterone, as in your condition, is called hypogonadotropic hypogonadism. It means our pituitary gland is not making LH hormone. So why this occurs? So symptom of this condition is when child will, even at age of 15, 16, 17, 18 years, child will not develop enough beard, mustache, his voice will be soft, he will have less muscle and small penis, small testis. And when they get test done, blood test, LH, FSH and testosterone, all three are low. In some people, even smell may be less. Even their smell may be less. Why this occurs? Now question, why this occurs? So why it occurs? Because in some people, it is a developmental defect. It is a since birth, there it is a developmental defect. LH and FSH forming cells in the pituitary gland. This is your pituitary gland. LH and FSH forming cells have not been formed since due to some defect in the development. So that in such patient, LH and FSH will always be low. So that testis will not develop and testosterone will be low. Normally in such condition, we do MRI testis to look for some cause. Is there some tumor, some blood flow problem, some developmental defect, something else? So normally in some cases we do MRI of pituitary gland. Okay, clear to you? So then what is treatment? So for treatment you need testosterone, replacement therapy, because your testosterone is low. So we'll have to give, initially we'll have to give testosterone so that you start developing your beard, mustache, muscle development, good voice, good penis size. Normally this we give for lifelong, because your testis will not able to make testosterone lifelong, because you do not have capability to produce LH, FSH. So once you give testosterone therapy, it comes as injection, which can be given once in 2 weeks. Other injection is there once in 3 months. Then there are capsule which have to be taken 3 times daily. Third are gel, which need to apply daily. Daily you have to apply. 3 options there, but best is injection. 1 injection every 2 weeks. Once you start injection, within 3 months you start getting beard, mustache, start getting penis growth, start getting good muscle development and good voice, good confidence. You feel more happier, and your erection quality also will improve. Within 2 to 3 years, you will become totally manly development will occur.
2 years, 2 to 3 years
time it takes.
3 months.
After 3 months, development starts. You start noticing that growth.
3 months later.
Don't talk. We'll talk later. Okay. So once after, so you will have to keep continuing this testosterone therapy till you get married. Once, see, in such condition, even sperms are nil. Because for sperm formation also you need LH and FSH. So once you get married, at that time we give gonadotropin injections, LH and FSH. These injections are given 3 to 6 injections per week. They are given by BD insulin syringe, very thin syringe. You can inject yourself on abdomen. Testosterone injection has to be given in buttock area, okay. But gonadotropin injection are given in abdomen, just like insulin. Because once you take testosterone, your beard, mustache will grow, muscle will grow, penis will grow, but testis will not grow. For testis growth, you need LH and FSH injection. Normally, because there are 6 injections per week, they are costly also. It costs around 15,000 per month. Whereas testosterone injection costs just 500 rupees per month, economical. So this injection we start only when we are planning for baby. After marriage, when you start planning pregnancy, then we start this injection. 3 to 6 injections per week. Will teach you. You will inject yourself. Once you start this LHFSH injection, your testes will start growing. Your testes will start growing from this much to this much, then this big. It will become size of around 3.5 into 2.5 into 2 ml, 2 centimeter. So around it will become this big. It's size of slightly bigger than my this part. Okay, and then once I start injection of LHFSH, normally after a 12 months to 24 months it takes to make your testes grow and make sperm production. So after that you will have baby also. Once your wife become pregnant, then we will stop LHFSH injection and restart testosterone injection, gel or capsule. This will continue lifelong, at least till the age of 55 to 60 year age. This testosterone injection has no side effect, except when you start testosterone, you may develop pimple. As boys start growing beard mustache at 14 years, they develop pimple. Same way you may develop pimple now. If you develop pimple, you will have to see a skin doctor, or you can consult my wife, who is a skin specialist. So pimple is side effect. Sometimes little face looks swollen for some time, few days. Otherwise it has no side effect, because in your case testosterone is deficiency. We are correcting testosterone. Whereas bodybuilder take 2 to 4 injections per week. They take very high doses. So that's why they are harmful to them. You, in cases with testosterone deficiency, we prescribe 250 mg every 2 weeks.
250 every 2 weeks?
Yeah. Whereas bodybuilder take 500 to 1000 mg every week.
Injection?
Yeah. They take 2 to 4 injections every week.
Every week?
Yeah, they take 4 to 8 times.
7 days.
Bodybuilder take. But you will take 1 injection every 2 weeks.
1 injection 2 weeks?
Yeah. That is normal dose.
Normal dose?
Yeah.
Heavy and
We'll put all this on YouTube, you know, we'll put all this in YouTube. That's why, so this is for information of a patient. Okay. So you will have good normal life, but you will have to continue either testosterone injection or gel or capsule, or when you want baby you need LHFSH injection. So I hope you understand all this problem. So dear friend, hypogonadotropy, hypogonadism, person can live lifelong healthy life with testosterone replacement therapy, and they'll have their own baby, they'll have normal penis size, normal testis size, and there's no problem. You can have normal life, and testosterone replacement normal dosage has no side effect to you forever. So I hope this video you liked it. If you like it, please like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. Any question you have in mind? So with this I am closing this video.